got a new couch. It's looking like it's not going to fit in our living room. Let's set it up, shall we?
Oh.
Got the old couch out of here by myself. And by got it out of here, I mean I put it on the front porch for my husband to deal with. We rolled up the stairs piece by piece. Each of these boxes is 50 pounds, so I'm sure you can imagine how fun that was. Need a knife. Do a screwdriver instead. Drum roll, please. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! You can't really see anything, but we have to build it.
Yes. See, each every share.
Why do we have to build it? This is the brand Belffin. It's a very nice material, waterproof. And each seat opens up to have storage inside. Oops.
That's probably for the back.
That's for the back. Feet don't even come on it. It comes with its own screwdriver tray.
What?
Anytime something comes with its own tools, it means it's going to be a nightmare. Ah! First piece is out.
What do you do all this cardboard?
That sounds like a you thing. Why is there 5 legs? We have to do this 10 times.
Yeah, the holes on the bottom. Here's the holes.
No, that's not where the box. Okay, that's why there's 5 feet. Stop touching.
Yeah, use these, I think. These go
I'm literally looking at the instructions
Match
right
up.
now.
Have the one over there. We have a drill with.
No, what are you doing?
Turning it.
You're flipping it all willy-nilly. Stop.
Can I do that in mine?
No, no.
You hate me.
Wait, this isn't right. I need it on the opening side, so we actually have to do the other one. Where does it open at?
There.
It's
Ah! What the fuck?
We have to hook that in there. Tilt it up. Tilt it up. Yes.
Okay, okay.
There.
Okay.
First piece done. Those are measured first. These little pieces adjust on the back so it can go all the way back. Oh.
Okay, so there's 9 more.
Yeah. The back?
Ah!
Why are you pulling it? Give it to me. Yeah, look. There we go. Second piece is done. We'll see you after we do this 8 more times. After we did the first 2, it went by a lot faster, and here is the finished couch. Tis huge. Like I said, each piece comes up, and it has storage in it. It is modular, so all the pieces connect with these metal things. I can rearrange it however I want to. Probably put another one here for like movie nights, for example. All of the backrests do fold back, like that, or back up. Just, you know, however you want it. Now, to have a movie night. Okay, bye!